श्री श्री गुरु गौरांगव जयता। श्री गोपाल तापनी उपनिषद। ओम कृष्णाय नमः। सैल्यूटेशन टू श्री कृष्ण। ओम सच्चिदानंद रूपाय कृष्णाय क्लिष्णकारिणे नमो वेदांत वेद्याय गुरवे बुद्धिसाक्षिणे। Sri Krishna, who is the very transcendental embodiment of Satchit Ananda, who has an eternal, all wisdom, supremely blissful spiritual body, who is the established truth in the Vedanta philosophy, who by his own providence, without any labor, from his own part, creates, sustains, and dissolutes the universe, who out of his own prerogative dispels the nescience of the devotees, who is the spiritual guide, Guru, endows us with intuitive wisdom, and he is also the monitor. To him we make obeisance with full self-surrender. Om Satchidananda Rupaya Krishnaya Krishnakariणे Namo Vedanta Vedyaya Gurave Buddhisakshine. ओम मुनयो वै ब्रह्मणमुचु कः परमो देवः कुतो मृत्युर्विभेति कस्य विज्ञानेनाखिलं विज्ञातं भाति केनेदं विश्वमिदं संसरतीति. Once upon a time, the Munis Sanaka and others asked Brahma, who is the supreme Godhead? The death god is afraid of whom? By knowing whom, everything becomes known. By whose superintending this universe is maintained. ओम मुनयो वै ब्रह्मणमुचु कः परमो देवः कुतो मृत्युर्विभेति कस्य विज्ञानेनाखिलं विज्ञातं भाति केनेदं विश्वं संसरतीति. तदुहोवाच ब्राह्मणः श्रीकृष्णो वै परमं दैवतम् गोविन्दां मृत्युर्विभेति गोपीजनवल्लभज्ञानेन तज्ज्ञातं भवति स्वाहायेदं संसरतीति. Brahma, with his full awareness, empathetically said, Sri Krishna alone is the supreme divinity. The death god is afraid of Govinda, Sri Krishna. By having fully cognitioned with the realization of the ontology of Gopijana Vallabha, the cynosure or the apple of the eye of the Braja Gopis, everything else is known. This universe is created from Maya, the external potency of God. Taduha uvacha brahmanah Sri Krishno vai paramam daivatam गोविन्दान् मृत्युर्बिभेति गोपीजनवल्लभज्ञानेन तज्ज्ञातं भवति स्वाहयेदं संसरतीति। तदुहोचु क कृष्णो गोविन्दश्च कोऽसाविति गोपीजनवल्लभः कः का स्वाहेति। The munis could know that audacious mind of rational beings is generally prone to indulge in anthropomorphic ideas upon the divinity. Therefore, to make them get rid of such blasphemy on their behalf, they further put the questions: who is this Krishna? Who is this Govinda about whom you are saying so? Who is Gopijana Vallabha? And what is Swaha? Taduhochu ka Krishno Govindascha kosaviti Gopijana Vallabha kaha ka swaheti. तानुवाच ब्राह्मणः पापकर्षणो गोभूमिवेदविदितो विदिता गोपीजना विद्याकला प्रेरकस्तन्माया चेति. Brahma said to them, Sri Krishna is he who destroys the very nescience of one who surrenders to him and brings in him an attraction towards his name, form, qualities and leela, and a repulsion towards mic propensities. Govinda is one who is the only sustainer of divine cows, the universe and the Vedas. Govinda is one who is the only sustainer of the divine cows, the universe and the Vedas. Gopijana Vallabha is one who is Gopya Palana Shaktayah Tasam Janah Samuha Tadvachya Pravidya Kalascha Tasam Vallabha. The gopis, who are the very embodiment of Prema Bhakti, in whom there absolutely remains no nescience and are ever allured to his love dalliances. His own illusory energy is Maya. Tanuvacha Brahmanaha Papakarshano Go Bhumi Veda Vidito Vidita Gopijana Vidya Kala Prerakastanmaya Cheti. Sakalam Param Brahmaiva Tat. All these, Krishna, Govinda and Gopijana Vallabha, are the synonyms of the Supreme Godhead, who is the controller of Maya. Sakalam Param Brahmaiva Tat. Yodhyayati rasayati bhajati somrito bhavati. He who meditates upon Sri Krishna serves him with unalloyed devotion and makes his transcendental senses gratified by engaging once all the spiritual senses in rendering service to him, all of them become immortal and attain summum bonum of life. Yo dhyayati rasayati bhajati somrito bhavati iti. Teho chuhu kim tadrupam kim rasanam katham va aho tadbhajanam tatsarvam vividishatam akhyahamiti. The Munis asked, what is that divine form that is to be meditated upon? What is that rasa by which he is to be gratified? What is that transcendental process through which one's spiritualized senses are to be engaged in rendering service to him? Taduhovacha hairanya gopaveshamab Mavabhramam tarunam kalpadrumaksritam. That Brahma who got manifested from Hiranyagarbha said, that Lord who is to be meditated upon is eternally in the form of a covered boy, and Shyamasundara. His hue is like the fathomless sea, and ever at the age of adolescence, and he is the very wish-yielding tree. Taduhovacha hairanyo gopaveshamavabhramam tarunam kalpadrumasritam tadiha shloka bhavanti satpundarika nayanam megabam vaidyutambaram Dvibhujam jnanamudradyam vanamalinamishwaram. About the meditation, the following three are there. His divine eyes are like fully blossomed lotuses. His transcendental hue is like the color of impending rain-showering cloud, and his garments are yellowish color, dazzling like lightning. He has two beautiful arms and holds Jnana Mudra, bliss bestowing. From his neck hangs the most charming Vanamala, Vaijayanti Mala. Satpundarika nayanam megabam vaidyutambaram dvibhujam gyaramudradyam vanamalinamishwaram. Gopa gopi gavavitam suradrumalataasritam divyalankaraноpetam ratna pankajamadhyagam. He is ever associated with his eternal adherents like Gopa, gopis and cows. His abode is the transcendental blissful Vrajakunja, most lustrously decorated with emerald like Kalpadruma, and all the divine wealth in the shape of ornaments shine on his person, and his very seat is fully blossomed, love coagulated, lotus like bosom of a premic devotee. Gopa gopi gavavitam suradrumalataasritam divyalankaraноpetam ratna pankajamadhyagam kalindi jala kallola sangi maruta sevitam chintayam chetasa krishnam mukto bhavati samsriteriti. This Vrajakunja is on the bank of the holiest Yamuna. Therefore, the breeze blows soothing and carries the coolness and sweet murmuring sounds of the holy Yamuna streams, to the delight of him. One who meditates on him, Sri Krishna, as such in one's untainted heart, he surely gets deliverance from this hellish worldly ocean. He goes beyond birth and death. कालिन्दीजलकल्लोलः सङ्गिमारुतसेवितम् चिन्तयश्चेतसा कृष्णं मुक्तो भवति संसृतेरिति सत्पुण्डरीकनयनं मेघाभं वैद्युताम्बरं द्विभुजं ज्ञानमुद्राढ्यं वनमालिनमीश्वरम् गोपगोपीगवावीतं सुरद्रुमतलाश्रितम् दिव्यालङ्करणोपेतं रत्नपङ्कजमध्यगम् कालिन्दीजलकल्लोलः सङ्गिमारुतसेवितम् चिन्तयश्चेतसा कृष्णं मुक्तो भवति संसृतेरिति सत्पुण्डरीकनयनं मेघाभं वैद्युताम्बरं द्विभुजं ज्ञानमुद्राढ्यं वनमालिनमीश्वरम् गोपगोपीगवावीतं सुरद्रुमतलाश्रितम् दिव्यालङ्करणोपेतं रत्नपङ्कजमध्यगम् कालिन्दीजलकल्लोलः सङ्गिमारुतसेवितम् चिन्तयश्चेतसा कृष्णं मुक्तो भवति संसृतेरिति।